say the dua of Yunus alayhi salam. لا ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni konto mina dalimin. There is no deity except you. Glory be to you. It is I am of those who are wrong. I am at fault, Ya Rabb. You did not do anything wrong. You did not make a mistake in putting me in hardship. I am the one who is wrong. So confess your mistake before Allah. And in hadith we learned that when a person says this dua, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will remove from him his karb, his bala, whatever affliction or trial that he is experiencing, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will remove that. Another dua we can say is Allahu Rabbi la sharika lah. And in another hadith we learn Allahu Rabbi la ushrika bihi shay'a. But here Allahu Rabbi la sharika lah. Allah is my Lord. La sharika lah means He has no partner. In hadith we learn that whoever is afflicted by some worry, some grief, some illness, or any kind of difficulty, and he says Allahu Rabbi la sharika lah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will remove that hardship from him. Whatever it is that you're struggling with, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will remove that from you.